Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to archive and unarchive post in Instagram. So firstly open your Instagram account. Now select the post that you want to archive. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on archive option. Okay, so this is how you can archive the post. Now for unarchive, tap on three lining which is on the top right. Now tap on archive. Now select the post. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on show on profile. Okay, so this is how you can unarchive your post. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it.